Why does even a tiny sound feel so loud at night? Is sound actually louder at night? Or is your brain tricking you? During the day, there's constant background noise cars, people, machines. But at night, everything gets quiet. So even small sounds become super clear. There's also a hidden reason. Cool night air lets sound travel farther. This is called temperature inversion. So the sound isn't louder, your environment just makes it feel that way. Like, share, and subscribe Curious Mind Daily for more crazy science facts. Thanks for watching.